Hello and welcome to Selenium for Beginners. In this video, we are going to switch to pop-ups using Selenium switch methods. Another name for pop-ups is JavaScript alerts, or we can say alerts. There are three types of alerts. First is information alert. Second is confirmation alert. And the third is prompt alert. The information alert displays information to the user with only one button. A confirmation alert has information with two buttons, and a prompt alert receives inputs from the user. Here's an example of a confirmation alert. Do you see how the background is gray? Sometimes the main web page is gray. One of the reasons the background is gray is to let us know we cannot interact with that part of the web page. Therefore, we are forced to perform an action on the alert. We can perform an action with one of these four methods: accept, dismiss, get text, or send keys. Let's look at the information alert. We are going to switch to an alert, then accept the alert. We see three buttons. Click the information alert. There is only one button with information that states, "I am a JS alert." At this point, we cannot click any of the three alert buttons or perform any kind of action on the main page. There is not even an X to close the alert. Also, I am right-clicking the mouse and I'm not allowed to inspect the alert box. In spite of that, we must switch to this alert and click the OK button. Notice the result says you successfully clicked an alert. Let's go to Eclipse and automate clicking the OK button. The setup method will set the property, open Chrome, maximize the window, and load the AUT. First, we find and click the JS alert button, driver.findElement by XPath. Click, inspect, and find the button. 2 forward slashes, div, 2 brackets, at ID equal, 2 single quotes, content, /, div, 1, 1 /, unordered list, UL, 1, 1 /, list item, LI, 1, / button. Copy and paste the XPath value. Next, we wait for the alert to become present by adding an explicit wait statement. Web driver, wait, equal, new web driver wait. Pass in the driver with a max of 5 seconds. Import, wait until expected conditions. Alert is present. Now switch to the alert by writing driver.switch2.alert. The description states switches to the currently active modal dialog for this particular driver instance. In order to click the OK button, we must accept the alert. Therefore, we select accept. Let's go ahead and print the result. inspect the result, and it has results as the value for ID. Driver.findElement by ID. Result. Print sysout and place the value inside sysout. Get the text of the result and let's run. Switch to information alert passed, and we see the print statement. We did not see the alert because execution ran so fast. I'm going to add a sleep statement before the switch statement, thread.sleep. Add throws declaration, exception. Thread.sleep is not a good practice, but for this demo, I want you to see the alert. Let's run again. That's it for switching to an alert and accepting the alert. Next, we are going to switch and cancel a confirmation alert. Now, we are going to switch to an alert, then cancel the alert. Go back to our AUT, and the second button, click for JS confirm, is a confirmation alert. We see an OK and a cancel button for us to confirm the message. Let's automate these steps by clicking the cancel button. The result shows you clicked cancel. I'm going to copy and paste the code from information alert method to click the JS confirm button. We must change the list item from 1 to 2 because it's the second button in the list. We are still going to wait for the alert to become present, then sleep execution for 2 seconds so we can see the confirmation alert. Add a throws declaration, exception, change accept to dismiss. Accept is a method that clicks the OK button, while a dismiss is a method that clicks the cancel button. Keep the print statement and let's run. Switch to confirmation alert passed, and we see the print statement. You click cancel. Next, we are going to switch to a prompt alert, get text, and send text. Last, we are going to switch, get text, send information, then accept the alert. The third button is the prompt alert. We see an entry box for us to write information. Selenium switch and click OK. The result shows you entered Selenium switch. After switching to the alert, getting text from the alert, and sending text to the alert, it is similar to the web element. In this case, we will use the alert interface. Change the list item from 1 to 3 so we can click the prompt alert button. Wait for the alert to become present and sleep for 2 seconds. Pausing our test script will help us to see the prompt alert. However, this time we must separate the switch to alert and accept method. Start by writing the alert interface and alert object reference driver.switch2.alert. This switches to the alert. Import alert. Now get the text. We write alert.getText and send keys by writing alert.sendKeys. I am an automation engineer. The last step is to click the OK button by writing alert.accept. I almost forgot to print the alert. Sysout and place alert.getText inside sysout. Let's run. Switch to prompt alert pass, and it shows the print statements. I am a JS prompt, and you entered I am an automation engineer. That's it for switching to a prompt alert, getting the text, and sending text to the alert.